Yo, YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, I am going to unbox my latest haul from Solerepubliq. So we have 3 sneakers over here and all of them look incredibly awesome. Let's go. So let's start with this colorway, which is the Dark Iris Campfire Orange. So to those who don't know, the Nike Vaporwaffle Sacai is a combination or was inspired by 2 sneakers, the Nike Vaporfly and the Nike Pegasus that came out in 1983. So here you have it. Take a closer look, guys. So you have that loud pop of orange, which you can find with the swoosh. You have that double stacked midsole, which is super comfortable. And just like the previous Sakais, you have 2 tongue tabs, you have 2 sets of laces, you have the pull tab, you have the Sakai logo here at the back, and that familiar vapor waffle like outsole that they have over here. So this, by the way, is a super comfortable sneaker. I did a review of the Vaporwaffle Sacai a couple of weeks or maybe months back when it first came out in the white, blue, red color. So this is the first sneaker, first color in purple and orange. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe. If you were to score it from 1 to 10, what would be your score? 1 to 10, this colorway. I'll reveal to you my scores after the second unboxing. So that's the first shoe. We have that again that I got from our good friends from Solerepubliq. Now the next sneaker I actually showed in a video that I did when I talked about our shop over at Green Hills, Unbox Green Hills. So this one, I did the unboxing there, but today I'll actually do the on feet. So this one is the Nike Sakai Vaporwaffle in the what's called sesame color. So that's how you call it. So let's pop it open. And this one, man oh man, this one is like really nice. I mean, one of the few shoes that when I saw online, I really wanted to buy this year. So there are only a few. There are not a lot of sneakers anymore that when I see online, I need to get that, I need to have that. Wala na masyadong ganon. But this one was an exemption. So take a look at this. Man, the colors are just so clean. I mean, so timeless. There's something about blue and brown that goes super well together that, you know, it just can't go wrong with it. And it's just so nice. I mean, I love the materials. I love the color blocking. I love how super comfortable this sneaker is. And I just love everything about this shoe. So easily one of my favorite sneakers of 2021. And I can't wait to beat this up once we finally get a chance to go out and about more, especially once more Filipinos get their vaccines now. So this is the second shoe, which is the Nike Vaporwaffle Sacai in this stunning brown and blue number. Man, it's really nice. I really like the shoe. So let me know what you guys think of this sneaker. Rate it 1 to 10 in the comment section. Now, if I were to score both, so for this one, easily for me, 9.5 out of 10. If I were to score the other one, the one in violet and orange, I'd probably give that. I'm not a violet kind of guy, so probably just score it around 6 to 7. So this one for me easily is the best with regards to this particular set. How about you? Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel. Now, the last sneaker that I have is a brand new pair of Lebrons. As you can probably tell with the box, this is actually the Lebron 8. Let me just get the name properly. Miami Nights. So this apparently came out originally in 2011, only released in Miami for a stateside drop. So it's a retro, it's a more wider release, and it's supposed to be really kick-ass. Now this isn't in my size. We actually got this so that we could display it over at Unbox Green Hills once we open. So if you guys want to buy it, just drop by the shop once it opens in June. But yeah, it's the first time I'm going to see this in hand. Bam! Now this is nice. Crazy. Wow, I think I'll end up buying like a size 13 of this for a personal pair. Because this looks really cool. I mean, wow. I love the color. I love the vibe of the shoe. I haven't been to Miami, so I can't, you know, credibly say that it gives me Miami vibes. But obviously, the colors are very much Miami. As you can see, as you've seen in previous designs of apparel or shoes referencing to Miami. Now, if you take a look at the shoe, you have the air unit for the midsole. You have that lion logo of Lebron that you can find on the tongue tab. You have his signature at the back. And it's just a really nice looking stylish sneaker. It's a low top too, which is awesome because I'm more inclined to wearing low tops these days. But yeah, it's a really nice shoe. What do you guys think of the sneaker? Let me know in the comment section down below. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Is it something that you guys would rock on the daily? Me, I would totally love to wear this when, especially now during the summer where it's actually nice to wear colorful, loud shoes now. But man, this looks nice. Before we end today's vlog, I just want to let you guys know that I have another awesome unboxing up on my watch YouTube channel. So I have a dedicated YouTube channel for my, well, watch hobby. So I did an unboxing of this, which is the new Kith G-Shock. So if you are wondering what the watch looks like, actually I can show you. So this is what the watch looks like. It's a ridiculously colorful forged metal rainbow colored bezel type of watch. I did a full video on this, wore it, did a review. If you guys want to watch, I'll link it down below. It's a really nice, crazy loud watch. Definitely not your typical looking classic piece, no? But hey, if you want hype, if you want sneaker culture, if you want that on your wrist, you might want to take a look at this. Again, you can find my review and feature on this on my watch vlog, which I have linked down below. Hey, and that actually wraps up the vlog for today, guys. Solerepubliq will be joining us over at Unbox Green Hills this June. So if ever you find yourself in the area and you want to drop by our shop, make sure to head on over. We have 500 square meters of space. We're going to be selling sneakers, we're going to be selling toys, cards, and a variety of other collectibles that I'm sure you guys will love. Now, if you want to join us by renting a cabinet or a box so that you can also sell your stuff, we don't get commission. You know, you just have to pay the small monthly fee, and whatever you make, it's 100% yours. I will link down below to the Facebook page of Unbox Green Hills so that you can find out what's the application process on how you can get a cabinet. Not that expensive. And I'd love for a lot of you to join us there as we try to navigate the world post-pandemic. So tulong-tulungan lang tayo, sabay-sabay tayong aangat. O, di ba panalo? And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick vlog for today. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? So guys, for Carlo Eats, I have a very, very special treat for you kasi it's not every day we get to eat something like this. So this is from our good friend VG's Lechon. Kung gusto niyo mag-order, yan, no? Yan ang phone number nila, yan ang Instagram nila, yan ang Facebook nila. And this, grabe, sobrang sarap. Medyo bawas-bawas na siya, no? Obviously, dahil kinain namin for lunch. Pero grabe, sobrang crunchy nung balat, sobrang sarap nung lasa nung karne. Hindi mo na kailangan ng gravy. Ganun siya kasarap. Hindi mo na kailangan ng Mang Tomas. Kada kagat pa lang sobrang panalo na. Yan siya. So anyway guys, if naghahanap kayo ng lechon, gusto niyo ma-deliver sa inyo, make sure to check them out. I 1000% recommend VG Cebu Lechon. Sobrang panalo.